In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a contact in Pipedrive. We'll move through the process from your dashboard, make the selection safely, and confirm the deletion, all while avoiding common mistakes. Start at your Pipedrive homepage. Take a second to make sure you're signed in to the correct workspace and that you have permission to delete contacts. Deleting removes a record from your account, so it's worth double-checking before you proceed. Next, open the Contacts area from the main menu. This takes you to the list view where you'll see your people and organizations. We're focusing on people today. In this table view, you'll notice a checkbox column on the left, a search bar, and options to sort or filter. If you have a large database, use search or filters to quickly narrow down the results. Now, navigate to the specific contact you want to remove. Pause here to confirm you found the right person. Check the name, company, email, or any notes that help you avoid deleting the wrong record. If you need to peek at the details, you can open the contact in a new tab and then come back to the list. Once you're sure, select the contact by clicking the checkbox beside their name. The selection bar at the top of the table will appear. If you accidentally pick more than one, just uncheck the extras before continuing. Be careful, anything selected will be affected by the next action. With the contact selected, look to the top of the table for the trash bin icon. Click that icon to start the deletion. If you don't see it, it usually means nothing is selected yet, so click the checkbox again and the option should appear. A confirmation window will pop up asking you to verify. Read the message, make sure you're comfortable with the change, and then click Delete to finalize. After you confirm, the contact will be removed and the list will refresh. If it's still visible, clear any filters or refresh the page to update the view. That's all there is to it. Quick recap: open contacts, find the right person, select the checkbox, hit the trash bin, and confirm delete. As a tip, if you're doing a cleanup, work in small batches and review each selection before confirming. And if you think you might need the information later, consider documenting key details elsewhere before you remove the record. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.